Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and payment method so purchases can be shared. This prevents hiccups later. Once ready, open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing, and select Add Member. You can invite an existing Apple ID via iMessage for instant acceptance or create a child account if needed. Choose the correct path depending on who you add. This step starts the legal and technical link that makes sharing App Store purchases possible across devices. Once members accept, enable purchase sharing so the organizer's payment method is used for family buys. This consolidates billing and avoids duplicate charges. Next, pick which services to share: App Store purchases, iCloud storage, and location, so everyone gets access without extra accounts. Make sure to adjust individual settings. Enable Ask to Buy for minors or limit in-app purchases to prevent accidental charges. These controls let you tailor access and maintain budget. To finish, verify that each member sees shared apps under App Store purchased. Download to confirm access. If purchases do not appear, sign out and back into Apple ID or restart devices, and make sure purchase sharing remains enabled. These simple steps resolve most sync issues. If payment fails, confirm the organizer's card is valid and that everyone uses the same regional app store. Mismatched regions block sharing. If problems persist, remove and re-invite the member as a last resort to reset the family link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.